Every HMI is built in with Purge mode capabilities to allow the operator to clear out a space. To enable this feature, we will need to start by pressing the top two buttons simultaneously to enter the menu screen. Next, scroll down to Factory Settings and press Enter. 1111 will be the password. Once in Factory Settings, scroll down to Unit Options, then down to Purge Configurations. From here, you can toggle a multitude of preferences. To display the Purge button on the main screen of your HMI, you will first need to press Enter on the Purge button option, then enable Purge by turning the Purge button on. Back in the Purge configuration page, you can choose how you want your Purge mode to operate. Let's start with Purge time. From here, you can choose how long you want your Purge to run. This time can be determined by the size of the space or what you are trying to evacuate from the area. For this demonstration, I will set my Purge time to 30 minutes. The next setting is Purge speed. Here, you can determine the rate at which the fan is rotating during a Purge cycle. For units utilizing a VFD, 60 Hz will be the highest fan speed. If your unit has an ECM, you can control the speed by a percentage. Once your settings have been set, hit the back button until you see Save Changes. Press the up or down button to select Yes, then hit Enter. When you go back to the main screen of your HMI, you should notice a Purge icon on the top left-hand corner of the display. When you press the button in that corner, your unit will go into its Purge mode. To end the Purge, press the same button. This has been a tutorial on how to set up the Purge mode on your HMI.